If you want to uninstall the Grammarly extension from Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to remove Grammarly from your browser, and I'll also show you the full method in case you don't see the icon right away. This is a simple process, and once you follow these steps, Grammarly will be removed from Chrome in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the quick method. In the top right corner of your Chrome browser, look for the green Grammarly G icon. If you don't see it there, look for the Puzzle Piece Extensions icon instead. This is where Chrome keeps your browser extensions. Once you find the Grammarly icon, right-click it to open the menu. From there, select Remove from Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm your choice, so click Remove to finish uninstalling the extension. That's just the fastest way to do it, and for most people, it's all you need. But if the Grammarly icon is not visible in the toolbar, don't worry. There's another way to remove it through Chrome's extension settings. To do that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser. This opens the main Chrome menu. From the menu, hover over or click Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. This will open a page where all of your installed extensions are listed. Now scroll through the list until you find Grammarly. When you see it, click Remove. Chrome may ask you again to confirm, so go ahead and click Remove one more time. After that, Grammarly will be uninstalled from your browser. If you ever want to use it again later, you can always reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. So to recap, the quick method is to right-click the Grammarly icon and choose Remove from Chrome. The full method is to go to the Chrome menu, open Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and remove Grammarly from the list. Both methods work great, so use whichever one is easiest for you. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.